If you are a content creator and you are not growing, I'm going to tell you the truth. Nobody will tell you. It is not the algorithm, it is you. This thing, growth in content creation is not luck. It is not about posting every day. It is definitely not about copying other people's content. If you do not develop yourself, your content will never grow. The first thing you need to fix is your mindset. Stop thinking like a small content creator and start thinking like a brand. Every time you pick up your phone to record, ask yourself, will people pay attention to this? Because if you will not watch it, why will someone else do? Secondly, your skills matters more than your consistency. You can post 3 times a day and still be ignored. Learn how to hook people in the first 3 seconds. Speak with confidence. Edit clear and sharp. Because content creation is a skill and this skill can be learned. Thirdly, you are confusing your audience. Today you post motivation, tomorrow you post fashion, next tomorrow it is random gist. Pick message, pick a voice, and pick a land. Clarity creates growth. Discipline over motivation. Let me be honest with you. Motivation will fail you. You won't always feel like posting. You won't always feel confident. But discipline will keep you going when you feel disappeared. And finally, invest in yourself. Learn, study, and improve. Watch content that are better than you. Take note, practical, and execute. Because the creator you are today is not enough for the level you want tomorrow. So, if you are serious about growing, stop blaming the algorithm. Start working on you. Because when you grow, your content will grow. Subscribe for more, for real growth, not just vibe. Comment growth if you are ready and serious.